Hopefully everybody has one ball and one cone. You should have one ball and one cone. One ball and one cone. All right, so normally when I do this game, we do practice actually with a bowling pin, so it is more like bowling, but this is a fun little hack. If you have the cones, you have more cones, you don't have enough bowling pins for everybody, you just tip this thing over, and the kids love balancing it. It's a fun target to throw at for throwing games and things like that, so sometimes I'll do this as well. So in this game, you're going to set up a bowling alley anywhere you want in the whole gym. Everybody say, we can go anywhere. Anywhere. All you're gonna do is find a line, okay? So this is a line. This will be the throwing line, and then my partner is going to set up the bowling pin wherever they want. So let's say Jace is my partner. Can I have the ball, Jace? I would pick this line. He gets to set the pin up. The person with the ball is going to choose the line. The other person is going to set the pin. Once I choose the line, Jace could put, if he wants to, he could put the bowling pin right here, or he could put it over by the bleachers. It's up to him. Okay. So when we're bowling, we're doing the same things as underhand throw. We're doing that swing, step, and instead of a throw, we're doing a roll. We're getting close to the ground when we let go. So we're doing that swing, step, and roll. What foot do we step with? Opposite foot. I knew you guys knew that. So he's going to be standing behind the bowling pin. I'm going to roll it. If I miss, he's just going to get the ball, and then we'll switch places. So then he goes behind the line. I'm going to come over to the pin. We're going to play first person to get 3 points. So if he knocks that pin down, good shot. We're going to switch again. He's got 1 point. I like to tell my kids every time they pass their partner, they're going to repeat the score, so it's 1-0. And then also give them a fist bump. All right, that way they can remember the score. Once you get 3 points, I'll say Jace was the winner. You'll shake hands, fist bump, high five, say good game. And then you'll pick up the cone and ball and you'll build a new bowling alley somewhere else. Okay, so you're just going to play for 2 or 3 minutes, play as many games as you can, build as many bowling alleys as you can. How many points are we playing to? 3. 3 points. Make sense? All right, cool. All right, go for it. 1, 2, 3. That was only 40 seconds, but because of time, we're gonna go ahead and move on. So after we play for about 2 or 3 minutes, all right, I have the kids put the ball next to the bowling pin on the ground and line up behind the bowling pin. So go ahead and put the ball next to the bowling pin, line up behind the bowling pin, give your partner a fist bump, tell them good game.
Good job, good job.
If you're the person that's in the front of the line, raise your hand. If you're the person in the back of the line, you're going to go find a new partner. Now, once they find a new partner, they will put their hand down. And what level are we going for?
4.
Level 4, right? Level 4 partner acceptance. So every 3 minutes, I'm rotating the kids to a new partner, giving them another chance to practice that level 4 partner acceptance. And I'm praising those kids that do a great job practicing that level 4. All right, so if you're first in line, raise your hand. First in line, raise your hand. If you're the last person in line, go find a new partner. You got 5 seconds to find somebody. Once they find a new partner, go ahead and put your hand down.
I'll be your partner. Yes!
Oh, love that level 4. Love hearing that level 4 acceptance. Good job, nice job. So a couple things that we'll talk about during the game is like in between rounds, we'll talk about a little bit of strategy. Some of the kids will come and complain to me that there was people that were walking between in the middle of their bowling alley. And I'm like, who set your bowling alley up? Who chose to do that? Because like I have somebody that's in this corner and the pin's way over here in this corner. I'm like, dude, that was your choice. You chose to go all the way across the gym, you know? And then I'll have some people that are a little bit smarter, they'll make a nice open space. Like right here, we got a nice open alley, right? So you guys did a really good job finding a good space, but your kids will just be like all over the place. So that first round's a little bit hectic. So we'll kind of like talk about that. But that's partner bowling, levels of partner acceptance, another great management strategy that we love to do. Any questions about that? I got some bad news, friends. We are out of time.